we're here with the pig pop. Yeah, Pig Goes Pop thing, and it doesn't work. So we're gonna show you why it doesn't work. Where's the burgers? Oh, inside of him, of course. Oh, they're falling on me. Oh, there they go. There they go. I think there's one more stuck up in his area. Okay, we got it. I don't think we got it. I don't think we got it. I can hear a burger go. Okay, I found it. Okay, you wanna hold him?
Whoa.
Now, here's our Pig Go Pop. You gotta hold him so that everyone can see him.
It's a pig.
Okay, here's our Pig Go Pop. Anyways, I don't
This
care.
is number 2.
Now we're gonna stick it in his mouth. That's not his mouth. That is. Now we have to hit his head 2 times. Okay, there we go. Now this one is a 2 again, and we're gonna stick that next one. And 1, 2. Now she's gonna do 1. That's a 3. Let's just stick that here. I'm gonna hit it because you don't do it right. 2, 3. And then mine is a 2. That's upside down. And you just. and okay, I gotta get the one down here because they're not. Oh, you did. You got it.
This is a 3.
And now it's in their mouth. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
This is a 4.
And this is a 1.
4.
So we're gonna hit it 5 times because this is a 1.
And a 4.
Okay, throw it in his mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. His stomach's getting bigger.
3.
And this is a 1, so we're gonna hit it 4 times. Oh, thanks. That's
This is a 4.
1, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that all of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, and he still didn't explode, so he does not work.
And let's see how many pushes it takes for him to bust.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9.
There you have it. Pig Goes Pop doesn't work.
Sucks. If it's your favorite game, I don't care. It sucks.
Bye!
Love